People make an awful lot of fuss nowadays, don't they, about the quality of the sound they listen to. Have you noticed? They spend all that time trying to get the exact effect of an orchestra actually playing in their sitting room. Personally, I can't think of anything I should hate more than to have an orchestra actually playing in my sitting room. They seem to like it, and it's about them that we've written this next song. Mention this in case any of you think the title is perhaps a little near the bone. This is a song of reproduction. I had a little gramophone. I'd wind it round and round, and with a sharpish needle it made a cheerful sound. And then they amplified it, it was much louder then. And you sharpened fiber needles to make it soft again.
So, as promised, I'm going to put up some sound clips now. I've listened to just about everything I can get through on these speakers. And as with LS358s, for some reason, monitors of this size are very hard to record. So I wouldn't be too judgmental on these sound clips. They're very hard to get it right. But I stand by what I said in the review video. These cater for a very wide variety of music. They will play string quartets, they will play orchestral pieces, they'll play jazz brilliantly, they'll play rock pretty good, they'll play dance music pretty good, anything with any bass heft, they do it. But I've never felt like I was lacking bass in my LS358s. So again, I'll just go over what I said. If you'd never heard LS358s, I think you'd be well impressed with the Q7s, and they are very good value for money at that price. They're way cheaper than LS358s. They're actually way cheaper than some second-hand LS358s from other manufacturers. So the Q7, it is bang for buck, very, very good. But I would say personally, I'm still very much in the LS358 camp. I absolutely love them, particularly the Falcon Acoustics ones. The silver badges and the gold badges I've heard absolutely blew away any of the other manufacturers of LS358s I've had the pleasure of hearing here. That's why we didn't put them in the LS358 shootout, because they would have just won it hands down. I'm quite happy with my Spendor 11 ohm LS358s. They don't sound as good as the Falcons, but I still preferred those to the Q7s for what they do well. Anyway guys, I'm gonna post up some sound clips, and I hope you enjoy it. Take care, catch up with you later.
Wish that I could fly away instead of kneeling in the sand, catching teardrops in my hand. My heart is drenched in wine. You
Engines not turning, just coughing out heat. Coffee this morning was bitter and weak. There's a cold wind blowing, let's hope it blows me onto something sweet, sweet like honeycomb. Bats are in the belfry, they don't know how to sing. They just hang around above my city of sin. Wonder why they stay. When's it time to go onto something sweet, sweet like honeycomb? It won't bring me down, it won't bring me down, it won't bring me down, won't bring kicks in and we scavenge for